Hi everybody, I'm the Vintage Contessa and this is Chiara and we're together talking about scarf tying. People used to think that the Hermes scarf was for fuddy-duddy old ladies and it's not. It's for hip, amazing women who want to be stylish, add a little color, add a little style to their outfit. So let's talk about the ways we actually wear them as fun fashion girls. This is one that I loved the color of. It coordinated with some of the colors in my dress. That's the other thing. You don't have to have every single color match. This is kind of the basic way that I do most of the time, is I take it and do it in a triangle and then tie it around in the front. And you could wear this with a V-neck. You could wear it with an open collar like Chiara has on. And then you tuck this on the inside because sometimes it's a lot of fabric to have by your face. And then you can tuck this in here. And then you've got kind of this soft little bit, not huge around your face, but gives you a little bit of face framing.
And you've added a lot of color too without bringing in like so much into your outfit.
I think so. Yeah. Kind of like it.
I love it.
So tell us what you would do when you were adding a scarf.
Right, well, I guess matching kind of what I'm wearing today with this blouse and blazer, one of my favorite ways to wear a scarf is like actually pretty similar to what you just did, which is wrap it around, bring it in the front, but I like to keep this a little bit longer and tie it. And I really just like the higher neckline, kind of creates this illusion turtleneck, which is a really great way to like frame your jawline as well. And then if I'm traveling, I can have like a little bit more protection and like keep my neck and my chest warm.
It looks so beautiful. And then you can see part of the pattern there. And that's what I love about the Hermes scarf specifically, is there's so many different colors throughout. So depending upon the way you fold it, you're gonna get a different look.
Yeah, so I mean there's so much variety. We even have a beach bag option.
I know, it's so exciting. When I'm traveling, I love to be able to use a scarf in multiple different ways to get different looks. I'm always bringing a basic dress and trying to add different accessories to get new looks. And I think a great way to do it is to use a scarf as a belt.
Well, that sounds really cool. I've never worn a scarf as a belt before. And I see you have these Hermes leather accessories out. Are you going to show me how to use this?
I am. We can take the scarf.
Yeah.
Most of the time when I'm folding, I start with the scarf with the colorful side down. Turn it in, and then can you help me fold in group effort? Yes. Make almost what appears to be like a cummerbund here in the back, and then you simply pick up the accessory and you hold the metal ends and then run it through here, and it gives you this great, very finished look, and this basic dress becomes so upgraded and beautiful and styled.
I love it.
This is a great piece to pull in all the red with my styling. And you can either wear it if I'm having a bad hair day. I love to just put it here as an easy kind of bandana or hair accessory. Or if it's cold on the plane, I love to be able to tie it here. Oftentimes, you've got your jacket here, but it doesn't go all the way up, so you can just tie it here and get a neat look that way.
So for an evening look, I like to add a scarf in case I get chilly at night in restaurants. But do you have any, new ways that you can show me how to like jazz up my dress with the scarf?
I do. I love this one because it is such a neutral and would go with so many things. One of my favorite ways is to create a type of a cape. What you do is you just take each of the separate ends and you tie it to meet. And in essence, what you're doing is creating little armholes on the side. And you're just tying the opposite corners together. And then you can reach it through your arm.
So let's try this.
I think your outfit is so neutral. This is going to be a great way to just add
I might even be able to
color.
wear it with this and not the dress. Let's see. All right. It's all easy. I have never done this before in this way. That's cool.
Turn around, let me see. Fabulous. And then it's a great cape of a look, and it gives you a little bit of coverage on your shoulders.
Okay, so I see you have like a really sparkly mini dress here, and how would you incorporate this like bigger pashmina type of scarf in your night look?
Well, most of the time when I'm traveling to a place that's really cold, I would do it wrapping it like this and have it come through here. But then that gives you this really bulky feel here, which isn't always great for a humid beach climate. But I find that even when I'm in Houston, it's so cold in every restaurant, so I'm always taking a wrap. And I think because this is a bright color, you can wrap it here. This is kind of the old school pashmina way, but I think it looks even more chic when you wrap it around here. And then if you have a lower cut dress, you can kind of pull it down and see a little bit of your neckline, but it still is a great look and then keeps you cozy. Today we've talked about so many great ways to style a scarf. I think when you look at your natural palette and my basic dress, it's really just open-ended what you could do, from a belt to around the neck to around the shoulders.
And that cape at the end, that's so fun. I love it.
Subscribe to follow us on YouTube at The Vintage Contessa in Times Past. Follow us on Instagram at The Vintage Contessa, and check us out on our website at thevintagecontessa.com.
And you can find me at Chiara Casiraghi on Instagram.
And remember, when it comes to your style, keep it real.